Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will see the new TCS provision coming in force with effect from 1st October 2020 and how we can give an effect to that in Tally.ERP9. This is the notification where the government has given changes in TCS provision with effect from 1st 10 2020 where the TCS for remittance under LRS, sale of overseas tour package and sale of goods have been made effective from 1st October 2020. Per this section 206C1H, you can see if the provider or the seller of the goods is selling the goods to the buyer, then 0.75% taxes TCS will be applicable and the threshold limit will be 50 lakh, and if PAN is not furnished then the tax rate will be 1%. So let us understand how we can do these things in Tally.ERP9 straight away. This is my Tally data. First of all, I'll click on F11 feature. Here I will be having an option of statutory and taxation. Under statutory and taxation, enable the option TCS, set alter TCS. Then make and prepare your TAN registration number and tax collection account number, and collector type will be company. I will prepare one nature of payment. Under accounts info, statutory info, I have a statutory info TCS nature of goods. Here I have maintained one sale of goods, that is my nature of payment, and section I have given 2061H, where if I am with the PAN, the buyer with the PAN will be deducted, the 7.5% taxes will be deducted, or without PAN 1% will be deducted, and I have mentioned my threshold limit 50 lakh, and I will accept the screen. Now I will prepare a party account. So in accounts info, ledger, alter, I have an party ABC India Private Limited. Here I have mentioned TCS applicable, then buyer or lessee type will be company resident. Okay, then I have mentioned his PAN number here. I will prepare my sales account. As you can see, under sales account I have mentioned the details of TCS. I have made TCS applicable, then nature of goods is sale of goods, which I have mapped with my sales account. I will prepare my duty ledger, that is TCS on sales. As you can see, it will be under duties and taxes and duty type will be TCS. Under that I will select my category which I have mentioned, that is sale of goods, and I will accept this window. Section is applicable on the good, so that's why I will prepare one goods, that is coal, as you can see, and under coal we have an option TCS applicable, and here nature of goods I will select as sale of goods and I will accept. I will come to my sales voucher. Here I will select my party ABC India Private Limited. Once I accept, here I will select my stock item, that is coal. My threshold limit is 50 lakh rupees, that is why I will mention a quantity 100 and the rate is 55,000. So you can see my total amount is 55 lakhs. Then I will select my sales ledger. Here I will select my duty ledger, that is TCS, and you can see your TCS will automatically come, that is 0.75%. You can cross verify those things by pressing Alt A tax analysis, and you can see by pressing detailed, you can see 0.75% TCS has been applicable. Let's see the reports under display. You can see under display we will be having a statutory report, TCS reports, and from form 27 EQ you can see your transaction will get passed. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any query related to that, you can contact on below given number. Thank you.